In this video, I'll be reviewing Paragon Hair Clinic and its offerings for those struggling with hair loss. Paragon Hair Clinic promises to provide effective solutions for hair restoration. But does it live up to the hype? I'll share my honest experience with their platform, covering the navigation, the types of services offered, and how the overall process works. When you first visit the Paragon Hair Clinic website, it's pretty straightforward. You're immediately met with information about their various hair loss treatments, including both surgical and non-surgical options. The site is well organized, but it could use a little more detailed information about the process behind each treatment. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. I was particularly interested in their hair transplant procedures, so I explored the services they offer. The website provides several before and after images, which is always a good sign when choosing a clinic. However, the pricing is not clearly displayed, and I found myself needing to contact customer support for more details. Their response time was acceptable though, which is a positive. I also explored their non-surgical treatments, such as laser therapy and PRP, platelet-rich plasma. The site gives a lot of information on these options, but I'd have liked to see some testimonials or more in-depth reviews. It's always better to know what real users are saying about their experiences with these treatments. Overall, Paragon Hair Clinic seems to be a solid choice for those looking for hair restoration treatments. While the site is a bit lacking in terms of transparent pricing, it offers a lot of valuable information, and the treatments appear to be effective. If you're looking for hair restoration options, it's worth checking out, but make sure you get all the details before committing. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews on websites like Paragon Hair Clinic.